1. You're acting like kids. 2. You always use that as an excuse. 3. He is short on both talent and looks. 4. This is all your fault. 5. What's the rush? 6. He barely knows the girl. 7. When Phoebe introduced her to me, she barely talked and just clung to him like a leech. 8. I haven't seen this girl yet and I already dislike her. 9. Maybe she cast some witch's spell on our brother. 10. How did she react? 11. Phoebe went on a cruise to move on from Nicole. 12. It was Alex who came up with that idea. 13. Had I known that that sister of yours was behind all this, I wouldn't have agreed to that stupid idea. 14. The wedding's happening in 2 weeks. 15. Oh, I knocked over my friend's drink. Apologies. 16. It's Fleb's wish and Mom's orders. 17. Hurry up. Clean up the mess. 18. Don't you want to keep your job? Yes, yes. I do, sir. 19. Penny, my savior, come here. 20. I really miss your horrible cooking. 21. How was Shanghai? It was lonely without you. 22. This would be a perfect fit. 23. I had to get $100 haircut just to remove all the gum she stuck onto my hair. 24. Oh wow, good for her. She finally listened to what I've been telling her. 25. Stop that. Dust might get on the food. 26. God, we want Mom and Dad to make up. Please keep them together. 27. God, please give us a baby brother. 28. Hurry before it's too late. 29. Give this to her, tell her it's from me. 30. Maybe she'll hate me less, if I help her. 31. I forgot to charge my mobile. 32. You're walking out on me again. 33. Text me when you're no longer insane. 34. Lend me some money so we can go home together to Manila. 35. I can't afford to spend a single penny right now. 36. I'm saving all my money for something important. 37. Don't do that to me. 38. Why don't you just tell your family the truth? 39. No way. Forget it. You don't know my family. 40. You're being cute again. 41. I knew you won't let me down. 42. I'll do anything you ask of me. 43. Set up the barbecue grill. 44. CJ, you're still there. 45. Heat up the grill. 46. You should be the one doing that. 47. Okay. Let's review. 48. They're at the airport already. 49. I'm hurrying. About to start my car now. 50. Since when did Teddy have a boyfriend? 51. Go do your thing. 52. I'll get it. No, I'll get it. 53. Who did this to you? What happened to your hair? 54. Everyone, this is my daughter, Trixie. 55. You look good. How are you? How's it been? 56. Let's everyone get inside. 57. You can stay with me in our old room just like before. 58. You finished already? 59. It slipped my mind. 60. He's just too humble to admit it. 61. I'm a gardener. Oh, you. Don't be so humble. Mom, he's really a landscape architect. 62. Maybe you can put in a good word for Gabby. 63. Teddy, is there an opening in your school? 64. It's like you're all kids again. 65. Watch the language. 66. If not for Fleb's wedding, none of you might have come home. 67. You keep siding with her. 68. None of you took my side. 69. He has a point. 70. She was my age when she and Dad got married. 71. That was a different time, son. 72. The length of our relationship tells us about our relationship. 73. Her grandfather doesn't have long to live. 74. Do you really think so low of me? 75. What if she's infertile? 76. The other day you were just as against the marriage as we were. 77. He seems sure. 78. Let's not ruin the party. 79. It's our job to make sure he makes the right decisions and correct the wrong ones. 80. She dumped him. 81. So, we'll just let him jump into this without thinking or planning about it. 82. Not everything needs to be thought about or planned. 83. It's okay to disregard your family. Is that it? Yes. If that love gives you genuine happiness. Even if that happiness hurts other people. 84. Maybe. You all have good points. But the one who needs to hear them has already walked out. 85. We're overprotective of you because you're our brother. 86. I will try to get to know her so that I can see what you saw in her. 87. It's your whole life we're talking about. 88. I was the only one defending you. 89. You're just like Mom. You think you'll screw up all the time. 90. Stop making sarcastic comments. 91. There you go again. 92. I'm just giving her the benefit of the doubt. 93. Show some respect. 94. Go on. I'm listening. 95. They did not start out rich. 96. In all seriousness, what sort of business do they have? 97. I object to that idea. Number 1, Nicole is not here. She's in Switzerland. And number 2, why would he leave Princess for a girl who hurt him? 98. Why didn't she just say so? 99. My love, why did your family leave?